About a month ago, I decided to give up coffee to see what would happen to my body, but that is a story for another time. Anyway, not having my cup of joe in the morning made me feel groggy as expected, so after doing some research, I figured I would try replacing my coffee with a glass of lukewarm water. This is in short, the story of how I started drinking water on an empty stomach. The water helped me with the headaches caused by caffeine withdrawal, but the benefits didn't stop there. Here are some other benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach that I began feeling within a month of adopting this habit. Number 1. Relieve constipation. Drinking a glass of water on an empty stomach helps you regulate your digestive tract. If you suffer from constipation, drinking water on an empty stomach will surely help you go to the bathroom more frequently. Number 2. Detoxify the body. When you go to the bathroom, you expel toxins from your body. This means that the more water you drink, the more your body will be able to detoxify itself. Furthermore, when you sleep, the body repairs itself and casts out toxins. When you drink water on an empty stomach, you will flush out those harmful toxins, leaving your body fresh and healthy. Number 3. Improve metabolism and boost weight loss. Drinking water on an empty stomach can increase your metabolic rate by as much as 24%. In the long run, this means more weight loss with less effort. Number 4. Clear up the complexion. Toxins in your body can lead to blemishes and dull skin. As we've discussed, water helps eliminate those toxins by regulating your bowel movements. This is why drinking water on an empty stomach can help you have less breakouts and clearer skin. Number 5. Increase energy. Drinking water on an empty stomach stimulates the red blood cells to populate at a faster rate, boosting the energy levels of the body. Number 6. Alleviate heartburn and indigestion. Indigestion and heartburn are caused by increased acidity in your stomach. When you drink water first thing in the morning, the acids get diluted, solving the problem.